Starting around 24 walk 2024, Chilliz essentially is exchanging at 0.2358 in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.6% in very most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. CHZ explicitly has an exceptionally complete market cap of $1,207.70.55 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $42,124,667, which essentially is very critical. This in a real sense makes Chilliz CHZ extremely positioning at 88 in the digital money market in a truly significant manner. In the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer and, considering what especially is the Chilliz cost expectation end of 2024, what will Chilliz fundamentally be certainly worth in 2024, which especially is genuinely critical? Is Chilliz a very wise venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2024, or so they sort of thought? Will CHZ cost especially outperform its unsurpassed, especially high in an unobtrusive manner? These truly are our Chilliz cost expectations for CHZ's future in an exceptionally significant manner. Chilliz CHZ value expectation 2024 as per the Chilliz estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the CHZ cost in a real sense is supposed to essentially cross a genuinely normal value level of $0.2862, the normal in every way that really matters, least value worth of Chilliz toward the finish of the truly current year ought to generally be $0.795, showing that Chilliz CHZ value expectation 2024 as per the Chilliz figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the CHZ value sort of is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.1862. The normal certainly least value worth of Chilliz toward the finish of the very current year ought to be $0.795 in a quite enormous manner. Besides, CHZ can in a real sense arrive at an especially greatest value level of $0.82, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Chilliz value conjecture walk 2024, the truly normal cost of Chilliz CHZ could essentially go to $1.400 toward the finish of walk 2024, or so they for the most part thought. CHZ could by and large be exchanging around a greatest worth of $0.1440 with the base expected cost of $0.1280, which for the most part is very critical. Chilliz CHZ value expectation April 2024. Concerning April 2024, Chilliz cost explicitly is conjectured to in every practical sense arrive at a sort of the most minimal cost of $1.389, or so they basically thought. The CHZ cost could especially arrive at a greatest cost of $0.2510 with a genuinely normal expected cost around $0.2042 in an unpretentious manner. Chilliz value expectation May 2024. Chilliz cost truly is supposed to sort of reach between $1.418 to $1.568 in May 2024, while the typical cost of CHZ for the May sort of stays around $1.171. CHZ value figure June 2024. In June 2024, the cost of Chilliz truly is gauged to in a real sense be at around a fundamentally least worth of $0.2463, or so they sort of thought. The Chilliz value worth can essentially arrive at a limit of $0.1642 with the extremely normal exchanging worth of $1.2530 in USD, which really is genuinely critical. Chilliz value expectation July 2024. The cost of Chilliz certainly is fundamentally anticipated to generally reach at a genuinely least worth of $1.538 in July 2024, which sort of is very huge. The CHZ cost could really arrive at a genuinely most extreme worth of $0.1703 with the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of $0.1591 all through 2024, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Chilliz value forecast August 2024. The cost of Chilliz fundamentally is certainly anticipated to explicitly reach at a kind of least worth of $0.2588 in August 2024, showing the way that the Chilliz value worth can sort of arrive at a limit of $0.1642 with the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of $0.2530 in USD, or so they really thought. The CHZ cost could truly arrive at a most extreme worth of $1.766 with a sort of typical exchanging worth of $1.655 all through 2024, showing that Chilliz value expectation July 2024. The cost of Chilliz, by and large, is fundamentally anticipated to, in every practical sense, reach at a genuinely least worth of $0.1538 in July 2024. Chilliz CHZ value expectation September 2024. Concerning September 2024, Chilliz cost for the most part is gauged to explicitly arrive at a barely the least cost of $0.654, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. The CHZ cost could arrive at an especially most extreme cost of $1.80 to 33, with a by and large normal expected cost around $721 in a kind of significant manner. Chiliz CHZ value expectation. October 2024. Concerning October 2024, Chiliz cost basically is conjectured to by and large arrive at a kind of the least cost of $737, which generally shows that starting around 24 walk 2024 Chiliz for the most part is exchanging at $358 in term of its est rate, with the value change of 0.6% in most recent 1 hour in a by and large significant manner. The CHZ cost could for the most part arrive at a sort of greatest cost of $9.19, with the typical expected cost around $790 in an in every way that really matters large way. Chiliz value. Gauge November 2024. In November 2024, the cost of Chiliz for the most part is supposed to be at around a sort of least of $759 in a very huge manner. Chiliz cost can explicitly arrive at a by and large limit of $19.90, with the especially normal cost of $1.26 in Oest incredibly. Chiliz CHZ value conjecture December 2024. The Chiliz CHZ cost for December 2024 may arrive at any rate worth of $795, while the sort of most extreme determined cost explicitly is around $0.2082, showing that Chiliz CHZ value expectation 2024 as per the Chiliz estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the CHZ cost truly is supposed to basically cross an in every practical sense normal value level of $1. 188 and 62. The normal especially least value worth of Chiliz toward the finish of the exceptionally current year ought to be $1. 17.95, exhibiting that Chiliz CHZ value expectation 2024 as per the Chiliz figure cost and specialized investigation. In 2024, the CHZ cost in every practical sense is supposed to sort of cross a very normal value level of $1. 188 and 62, the normal in every practical sense least value worth of Chiliz toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to in a real sense be $1. 1,795 in an unpretentious manner. The kind of typical cost for CHZ explicitly is in a real sense anticipated to truly reach $28 and 62 in December 2024, showing how Chiliz value expectation July 2024. The cost of Chiliz generally is truly anticipated to really reach at least worth of $538 in July 2024, which basically is very huge. Chiliz sort of past value examination in the specific beyond 24 hours. The crypto sort of has been fundamentally diminished by some 49% in its really current worth in an unpretentious manner. Assuming that we explicitly look at the extremely current market cap of the CHZ with yesterday's, you can explicitly see that the market cap certainly is likewise down, so Chiliz value expectation August 2024. The cost of Chiliz for the most part is generally anticipated to reach at an especially